Anna and I'm an artist educator with DC Learn. Today I'm going to show you how to do bubble wrap printing. For bubble wrap printing, you're going to need some bubble wrap, some paper, you're going to need a paintbrush and some paints and some water. You'll need some masking tape and some scissors, some kitchen towel and a marker pen. So the first thing to do is decide on your shape. So before I did a star, and today I'm going to show you how to do a heart. So to make your heart, you're going to take a piece of paper and fold it in half. You can then use your marker pen to draw a curved line that's going to be half of a heart shape, like this. So while your paper's still folded, you then cut around your shape that you've just drawn. And then open it out, and there's your heart. So this is your template piece, and you can use this to draw as many hearts as you like. So what you can do is take your template, pop it on some more paper, and just draw around it and cut it out. Now don't worry about it being a little bit messy, because this printing is going to end up looking quite messy and fun. So we don't need it to be perfect. So there I've got my finished heart shape ready to print. So now we've got our shape ready, and that's to one side, we can start to prepare our bubble wrap. So you want to lay your bubble wrap with the bubbles facing upwards and the smooth side facing the table. And what we're going to do is paint all over the surface of our bubble wrap. You don't need to paint the entire thing, but enough to cover the size of our heart shape. If you want to, you can tape your bubble wrap onto the table to make sure that it stays still. So now my bubble wrap is secure, I can also use the tape to mark out the area that I want to paint. So now I know that I'm going to paint in this square, and that's going to be plenty of paint to cover my heart. Now's the fun bit. So the next section is to paint our bubble wrap. So we're going to cover all this section in different colours of paint. Have a think about how your colours are going to mix. So if I mix red and green, it's going to go a browny colour. You might not want that. But if I mix red and blue, it will go purple. So I'm going to use blue, light blue and red, and let's see what happens. There we go. Now when you've got your section of bubble wrap all nice and colourful, you're ready to print your heart. So I'm going to take my heart, pop it down onto the bubble wrap and carefully press down. Oops. So once you've got it all pressed down, you can peel it off. Ta-da! So because I've still got lots of paint on my bubble wrap, I'm going to experiment and do another one. This time I'm going to wash my brush, put some water down, and I'm going to mop up some more of this, and then I'm going to put some more colours on and see what happens. And you can even wash your bubble wrap and start again, or you can use another piece if you've got plenty. So this time I'm going to use yellow and greens. So we're going to press it down like before. Now I've got quite a lot of paint on here, so it might mix a bit, it might drip a bit. That's all part of the fun. Okay. Ooh, there we go. So that's my last heart. So we'd love to see what you guys make. So if you do some bubble wrap printing, post some pictures on social media and use the hashtag DCLearnMiniMakes and show us what you've made.